See, before you commit your marriage or do a relationship, you first need to have a communication or encounter with God. You see, your problem is you're impatient. You're intimate, you're penitent. You're one year, my opinion, you're ready. Miss Bemo, wa, so, or your bank, or you say, would you open the ready pay, dear? If you don't wait, if God says, they that wait upon God, He shall renew their strength. Waiting is not an easy thing. Or train and young grow. So we for 4 in our worry. Now we got 45 years. Never, na miss a train. Because Bema Weber, then the catch you say, something is wrong. Also, in Doctor Susan and Jobina Monopos. Bible said, in whose report do you believe? Is it the report of men or the report of God? Men think, so only 45, 50 or bar monopos to me, to me, but Yamisu said, who did not be as poor? Let me be our dear. Mimi nyini pen you, Gerard. Into one warren. Look at your covenant with God, your relationship with God. Yaminya mistake.
Look at your relationship with God. According to Mommy, Nyankopon, onye mistake da. Mommy, me kind baby what I say ukunu ofa wa chikura na pamper him like twetwene ben.
Na mento ninjire.
I didn't know kasa.
Mento ninjire.
I say it's something hurting. I say will be a when
now what about what I can just worry hurting is not part of it. Our baby no hurting count. It's part of marriage. No, the fact is that go for things our here. Our honeymoon. Since the honeymoon 1 week ago. I bet 20 so. Do not face a honeymoon. We are honeymoon. We went to Dubai. Dubai, the reality of the marriage will hit you. A yafibo. It's untimia and come. If you think it's always a bear, my husband bought me a car, he built a house, we are traveling somewhere. Sister, just answer growing good. Now what here a journey to heaven. It means so by what here 2 things, hell and heaven. For Mubako, when you're careful, hell no 80% to become Unya Kuma, Untimintinum. Sabi, our dear, and Quasia some. Now, penny focus and me say, or bad Jimmy for the yawa pa, or banners of 4 until our young. To what tell you what Jimmy? Well, Jimmy Anderson, Beman, the coaching pena, because I'm penatria yet, because of our china yo, and yet. Never they could watch him Panacofa, Bawakatani Kunuso. No bomb pile, their money could no money couldn't go see and go about no papa. And so because what Jimmy. And then we ask a catch you say, I'm divorcing you, who divorce someone quiet. Now divorce and today. Who will come be a show, or be could pass a whole walk be one in Akoda. Sister, and not be with me a problem. Or Balo no couldn't die in your west, so couldn't worry. So another. It means a person show. So the other women who even go for cheating, they are Muslims who marry 3, 4. Are they not human beings? A man is who dear one dean. I'm not saying cheating is good. But anything that happens in a marriage, the answer is prayer. I'm never listening. My husband me listening the or whatever see them. One go nyamba, this book only buy something. Me never genia chum. So I am so young. It's just that. Nyan because idea ye no be super. To fi me kun ye fun a. Ko ba ko dinachi. Me busa.
Debbie.
Good. That ye fa wo pe no ba be so ni ji no. Ni ho abo ne ho so. E na bi ya bonsanfo a. Omo no omo ye daughters of Jezebel.
Okay.
Omo mbre pe bi o. Ya bre na ye bi kun dan wuram na me ne ke fa se me ku bi ne ma wa ho pe no. Ponky Joe pa, Ponky Joe. Ponky Joe, don't feel the grass in punk, no, Salba, Sakurama. And then I am nice man, no traffic, never could near a handsome man. Wow. Man, Shelly Yaka, Uba, fan, now by Champion, me say, me could not go to me, General, or 20 million on my phone to me, and that, the Majane, China, the corner side, and then nothing more about so. Let me have you could be a dough. Me, that, some could look of phone, let's say, don't know because that, net for so different. This one in the middle, been Habasa. Even any fear of a patch, no, maybe one man, number 4, but they don't respect spiritual things. To move rough of them. When even a man of God prophesy, so free, I'm so free, I'm for woman. Because you don't know the spirit behind it. You come and they differ, and the gun has so I don't blame them. So funny, been a man about this. Even omuponomanisa, respect the name man of God. So ni wa fuma radia. E wadi na ne bedi nyo no ni bedi. Obi sha nkom say yampa sister komu pompaye. Eti me kunu die. Me boy rade paye say rade ban bonye kese won so. No pa je se baby am tormented no. Empo say mistake bi bopo a. Me nya ne emeja na china for better and for worse till death. Owo maya. No won kwa me bon person man ma. Me edido ache. No di 80 something no ready kan be say onu di kan maba. Onu ye de owo na de obi di kan maba. Okwa anu maba. Me nko no ode akokrowa. Obepe young bi na me nye. So no do me go wo me wade bio. Ko obodi be be say odi be 80 85 o. Me sie ne kama. Na mahwe akire kakra. Na me so me di na chi. Me no wo nche me wo.
But mommy, say who couldn't cheat on you? How will you be able to forget about it and move on with him?
What is marriage? I want to know what you think marriage is. Because marriage
is a union between a man and a woman.
And that's
forever.
Do you know what it entails of living together? Do you know what it entails?
No.
Obi from background neighbor. Also from different background neighbor. To emerge together, become one body. It's not a choke, it's a journey. And when you journey, you acquire more certificates. You need the work. You need radia kwapam. Oh, so just say, I quite no worry. I'm a new womb. I say, carry your cross. Crossing easy. It will be a day the devil will enter into the marriage and frustrate you. Do you allow the devil to take over?
No.
Me, I'm a fighter. I don't leave it. So I know the devil hates good marriage. So about comment, say about where you wicked pay, about room. Then they catch a man say, if a woman knows how to pray, even if your husband is a devil, you will have a change of mind. But a process. So if you don't have the patience, don't change. Into about what if will be a bema utimia. Don't just marry them because of their shape. Don't marry them because they are bankers. She's a doctor. She's a media personnel. She reads the news. My dear, if that is your target, you are a failure. Marry somebody who honor you as a woman, who respects you as a head, who will put a qualification down and submit to you. Marry a woman who can sleep on the floor and celebrate you. If the woman can't do that, she's not a married material. Or banning the certificate to two. Because you running. It doesn't make you a slave, it makes you a woman.
Okay. Mommy, you just mentioned marriage material. So why not married material?
Obia imagine married man. Obia married man. Obia there is something in everybody. But the very man being said, on your papa. Everybody qualifies to be a marriage material. But it's just a piece. Some people don't have the education and understanding into marriage. Some people don't have the patience to wait. Everybody has got something good and something bad. You have to make a decision. Now I'm new, but from today, I'm telling you, there's some things when my husband does, he expects me to react. I prove him wrong. Because he knows me. There's some things I can't take nonsense. He knows it. But for 4 years of my marriage, my first year to 8 years, it was the worst in my marriage. But after 8 years of my marriage to now 4 years, it has been the best ever. Because I realized that if I don't submit to this man, I'll never see anything good in God. And since I started respecting my man, my head, my spiritual father, my Lord, my boss, and my friend, things have changed. So, Sarah called Abraham my Lord. He's my Lord. Because the Bible said in Ephesians chapter 5, reading downwards, reverence the man as you reverence God. It means God has placed the man as God. So he's my God. So that's when you need to reverence a man who reverence God. So man is sure radia, no problem. So man is sure radia, there's peace. So me kunu dia, me ura no no. Oh yeah, me ura. It says sura radi. So me buna, me nya, me nsari. Buna me bu radi. Me bu radi nya me kunu ho. Me didi me kunu atam bu radi. Enya adwuma. There are rules I need to follow. Say me sure whether say me sure me kun. Let me show them kasa. Let me do a book and then like a bearman. And then the kasa. And you know what? I have my right. You have your right. And then the abasho. Is it gender of women and maybe right. The omu chilo. Right. So we are right. We are doing. But me kunu dear. But anymore. Be mura. On shamiso or ye mura. I have every right to respect him. If he says no, it is no. If he says yes, I will love him for that. Okay. Me dear, me a guy pa.
Me to me
Yeah.
Guy.
Papa.
O me ti counseling wa ko hu school.
Gana fonti, bripa kasenti. Omano e bit whatever. Where were you dear chere? The tiani say, nyame dia dum due ni pemu a. En ban Gana fo mu adom. And then we call Dr. Hobson or your counseling and mediation course. I think I went to that school for 2-3 years ago or 4 years ago. And then me call because of what people would say, not because I wanted it for anything. I just wanted it for people who talk, who believes in certificate. So I just went there, and it was a good platform for me. My ministry never be brave. Education is good.
Yeah.
And now I'm still in school. I'm in school because me Bibia connected to media and connected to my ministry. Okay. I'm doing communication studies at our university. So I'm still going to school. Not because me here for BB. No, I don't need a certificate for anything. God doesn't need a certificate for anything. He called me when I had no certificate. It is men that need certificate. God doesn't need it. God needs a pure heart, a heart that is ready to serve him. Meaning professors they have nothing. So school they money papeja. And professors are all gonna hand them. Some come here, come see they came to me. A big show and mobile. It tells you say and you mean a shira. You mean mushira. What for bread you want? Education is good, it enlightens you. But then no chila say one course called mean to me shira. I'm going to school because I say me Kobe. I say me Ghana for no obi omumu obi kasa dudu no. Ma che ne say, we say o certificate and say kasa no na. We say hu adom so adom be ya adwuma. So they che ye kwa. E bia na ye firi a wa frɛ no. Me dey say na me nante no. Because oja mu me ni baby akọ. Sister, me accept na me baby awo. I don't have any family who has got money. Uncle bia. Ye ni big ye baby ye free gatos. Tina me ya adom na adom bia so ya so a. Family agro. Abi. Maybe I got go doing him. Me there when only me play na me ho a e be fight. Because nyame ahye bi wa hwe abusua ka yense kɔnsa fo abusua ɛna opagya me kunu ne papa etwa abe awa kurase ne maame na o chia me ma bosomfo me kunu foundation no wow me fie do wakɔ asɔre apie hu yo me kunu. You can just imagine where we are coming from. To be teaching who you shira or kasapa. If you don't know somebody's background, don't talk about their praises today. Or we say kasake or badabe. Do you know how long I've been in ministry? Meanwhile, I was in ministry. Those senna and you're too committed. But yes, you struggle with me to a lot. My dear, journey of marriage is not an easy thing. Bro, I don't eat any corn maize thing. Eh. But me kunis ka ide be didintin no was so bubu bro no mama di. If you don't know what God has given you through, don't talk about my praises today. The was say, hey, about that you don't know it. I've gone through my process. E come hwe bi outi. Ai. Na first I do ba akra wo mu. I na me bedroom. Me ni me kunu. My dad shot here 4 years on bare floor. Me da for your boss no me ni me mafa o sha fon to me da se fon me ni mother so. When we were suffering, nobody knew it. Nyame pagya wakana fo bi omu ade. Omo kasa keke. When you careful nyame bi na oni nyame wa pam kasa ne chi basa basa. Nyame domo ni wasafo.